You've won the battle, and you claim the final victory when all of activating synergies can increase heroes' combat power. Open the shop. Atlas belongs to the Starwing Synergy. Purchase Atlas. Drag him to the front row. You've activated Starwing Synergy. Deploy 2 Starwing. This round is a creep round. Select 1 equipment. Equip to a hero. Your hero is much stronger now. This is the Go-Go Ball. All players will select in order from left to right. It's your turn to select 1 equipment. Open the shop. Purchase Beleric. When you have 3 heroes now, let's open the shop. Refresh the shop. Purchase Beleric. Refresh the shop. Purchase Beleric again. Continue refreshing the shop. Keep purchasing Beleric. Nice! You've got 3-star Beleric. Your lineup is much stronger now. Right on target! Now, you can choose from 2 randomly. Let's start by getting heroes. Your current capacity. Drag a hero into the current capacity. Use golds to increase your hero capacity. You can deploy 1 more. Drag a hero in. You've activated or select Alucard. Tap here to sell heroes you don't need. Right on target! No one can escape my sights!